Welcome to Gemini Architecture. My name is Kailas. Today we start with our new tutorial that is based on Dialux Evo 8.1. Okay, let's start with the lighting with material tutorial. Okay, this is my view, and today we just place some furniture as well as doing texturing work on it. Okay, so this is catalog. So I have this catalog. I go here and click on this one. I will click OK. These are the material for material and texturing. These are the by defaults. So suppose I just go here and take a new material. Okay, this is wood. Okay, apply. Okay, I go here, I select this material and drag and drop on my surface. So that is apply on my surface. Okay, here I do some material on my ceiling also. So I go here and check some ceiling. Okay, this is cool. Okay. Oh, this is for wall. And I put some furniture on my base. So I go here and select some furniture. copy paste. Let's check over 3D. Where is okay? That is on the top. So you select all that one, all furnitures. Hmm. Let's check my 3D. Okay, now I just do some texturing on work on my furniture. So I select my furniture, go to material, and here catalogs. Mhm. So I decrease the height of table, select this table, and sorry, what is selected? Okay, my material work is finished. So let's start with calculate our lighting work. I just on this option because that is a fast rendering. Suppose which area you selected, that is that render that area only. Okay, calculate. Okay, if you like this tutorial, so please like and share this tutorial. This is our website. This is Gemini Architectural, our website name, and these are the courses. We have a lot of courses. We have lighting courses also, that is LED lighting design course. We have these courses: AutoCAD, 3ds Max, V-Ray, Dialux Evo 8.1. So these are the content for Dialux Evo. If you check, these are the tutorials, and this is our YouTube channels. You just go here and search Gemini Architecture. and this is our channel, and there is a lot of tutorials of Dialux, 3ds Max, AutoCAD, Revit, astrology. If you like this tutorial, please like and share, and please subscribe our channel. There, that is our channel, Gemini Architectural. Okay, let's check our render. What coming out for this one? Okay, okay. See, this is our lux level. Suppose the average lux is 351 lux. Okay, and if you check these areas, there's 642 lux is there, and minimum is 173 is there, and this is the output of Dialux Evo. So that tutorial based on material and how to place objects on your scene. That is guys, and if you like this tutorial, please like and share, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.